Aquaba Ariba Xposed here. So every day then the talk say make you fear women. At the same way fear men too. Why am I trying to say this? It seems that now the men are publicly showing the ladies that hey, even when they marry you in court, since court says you should marry a woman by one in a legitimate way, no. Come on. Their side chicks are always their second wife. And idea is see that Ogo Suba Fuma Eden at the hop. Now, in the land of Lagos, in the land of 233 million people, what show said there's no going to be wonders, there's not going to be miracles, and someone in CC was out so. As a man, they see what has happened. It shows that this man's wife has been away for a while. Obane Pieka Krebi. And we go find the side chick. You go bring the side chick into the house. So once the woman was entering into the house, it seems like they live in a 2-story building house. Obo re fi onu ma. No one say Makoto mi kunu na we pie fi so oba bi ni jin say hwe really aha na wo be wo aha na wo gina oba men fada ni mu bio we the freezing in corridor na wo gina so esifom. Once the woman found out that the man has bought a side chick and he found out the lady was on top of the or was standing or hiding at their corridor, she said, you know something, don't enter back into the house. Climb from that stairs of corridor and jump down. If you try and pass back to the gate to this front, I will kill you. Now the woman just go find place. Now I fatwa. I go break your head. Oh, be put it. Yeah. And then when I say yentio, ya so nya den enti. Ebusianfo my young video no. Now to say obey ne 23 side chick wahala. And see yes here to Ghana, and people are CEOs of companies buying and trying to rent and buying cars for ladies. And while they are not fulfilling their promises, they are sending them to court. And some side chicks are also running for their lives. It was therefore my video now.
It's Skype. Do you know you're a big fool? I can't even think I've done for you,
Wait.
Calm down. Tell that bitch to calm down. Just calm down. Are you going to calm down or not? You're joking with me, right? Hey. I'll break your head off. Tell her to calm down. I'm coming down.
Wait.
Calm down.
Please.
You are finished. I swear I will kill you. You rubbish. Nonsense. Yeah.
Wait, no, I can explain. Wait. Babe, calm down. Trust me, calm down. Just calm down.
You think you're very shameless.
I'll tell you.
Look, everyone is looking at you and saying, calm down. You explain what? How you cheated, huh? That's what you want to explain. And you even brought that to my house. Oh, shit.
Chill now.
Jesus.
Chill.
Hey, you come. Just calm down. You're playing hide and seek, eh? You're very stupid. I'm not asking you, eh? I'm not asking you. Shut up!
Wait.
Calm down. Everybody's here!
So while we watch the video, no send a wakasa wo hwe video no wa ba mu say ensem e wo biase na we na yenua bia our Instagram edin no wantro de number or say _0.202000. or say why do women always focus their anger on the side chick as if she were the one who made a commitment to you? Unless it's your friend or relative, the one you should be addressing is your man. And Mosdela, as I say, wife says calm down, husband says calm down. Side chick probably about to get a beat down. What you say? What's the ocean video now? Oban Ojina phone. Walk out to the side chick and say, calm down. And a bear man also pay or be finding ways that catch your and say, baby, calm down. And a side chick is one who say, kai. So but down, you be beating it down there. It will say when they down in different way. It is either you calm down or baby calm down, or you get beat down there. How poor. And was the why you need now. Now Grace Arabella, I say, why do they always attack the ladies? The husband are supposed to be blamed more of being irresponsible. As the issue, when you watch a video, now when you are watching the video, it seems like whenever wives or main chicks find out that their men are cheating on them with another lady, they seem to attack the ladies. But come on, in a due of respect, if this man respects the wife, he will not bring the lady into the house. So it seems it is the man that she has to attack. Or is she afraid that she will lose the marriage or relationship to the side chick? Meaning because as a nana a judge preocupa say and the chinchina a your ban na iden I there be to the bia. We shall comment to your said there be yenjaisa a member no should be able because of ban or be pekran ka be man fa ne nko abonte no ne nko ye bibi. But says on besa ba fi o de na be man ombu ne yere no. E bi so skin no. Skin no sana ya member no. 1% mama e man ko nchen kakra no mutumi botwe no yin because skin no gba ko ti hotel e man Cosmos Mock say, see how she has turned into Spider Woman because of someone's husband. We shall obey old fish super for money 9 and now question name fear and the night the Rebecca is shot. She sent a show to me so I naked all pepper and back cover. Cosmos says she how she turned into Spider Woman. And designed by Denora says, the woman should focus his anger on the husband. He really disrespected her by bringing another woman to sleep on the bed he shares with his wife. Such an insult. Oh, designed by Denora, wherever you are, God bless you. You have nailed it over there. Why would you get angry with this man? It doesn't truly make sense. Excuse me, be angry with the lady. You don't need to pour your anger on that lady. No matter how angry you are, you can voice and noise on the lady for thinking that they will do the same to her when she also marries one day. But your anger should go on the husband because come on, I cannot marry someone or I cannot get married to somebody and go into the house seeing my husband with another woman on a matrimonial bed that we share. Come on, that is so disrespecting. It disregard the lady as a woman of the house. Come on, if you can be cheating on your wife as much as you want to know. They feel respected when you are doing it at their back while they don't see. But to the extent for the woman to come into the house, that is unbecoming. It's so pathetic. You have to watch that out. Me did you mediate everyone didn't limo elikem kwame amega. Over to me African. That's in there. They say share my crowd. Bye bye.